conversation.
Happy
Has
Koala
Martin
and Martin
Griffin.
Griffin.
And a bunch of goalies
Has
who were really
been
old.
pretty good.
Who didn't
I'm
have-
with a shit ton of Kappa Kappa Gamma girls. Where the party at?
Tim
Says DJ
Thomas
Jerry.
is at 3.
In my pants, motherfucker.
I will not respond that way.
Let it. Tim Thomas
There's
is
a
at
pants
3
party.
really good seasons.
Great.
One
Mother,
historic
just text
season
that.
and 2 other really good ones and 1 really bad one.
There's a party in my
Is that one of the
pants.
best stretches of
You got a
all time?
VIP ticket?
VIP.
You're on the
Wait, who
VIP
said?
one?
Who did
I
you
was-
say to send that to?
I was gonna send that to Mike
Oh, yeah.
on my birthday.
Alright, you wanna make a bet next
There's
year?
a VIP
most
ticket.
highest
I'm such a homer.
Dude, I don't understand why they still do this three stars thing.
Pierre McGuire is literally the most useless human being in all of sports.
I don't understand the something.
Does anyone disagree with me?
For you to say
That Pierre McGuire is the most useless
The tall
they're right
something.
now
person in all of sports.
in the series with
Look at Jordan's Dawson.
I said I can put whatever I want on until the party starts. I don't know if that was a good idea to tell you that.
Yeah.
Look at his teeth.